La da 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 da. And we're back for FOMC. How many people are gonna blow up their account today? What's the over under on that? I wonder how many people today will blow it up. We'll find out here in a little bit. We got about 20 minutes till the interest rate decision, and then we got the press conference at 2:30. It's time to party, my friends. Right now, the NASDAQ at the 15,550 level. The ES is still kind of holding up here. The ES holding up there at that 80 level, which is kind of funny because that's right there from kind of that 80 level. That was kind of the bouncy bounce area yesterday. See how this kind of plays out. We got pivot points to look at here. We got that 65 down to the downside. We got the 95 to the upside, and that 610 level. You never know. It's FOMC day, baby. The madness is it's madness. You can see the NASDAQ this morning up, down. I love that I fucking like walked away at like 10:30 and then it dropped what, 100 points. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't even want to talk about it. It's just a little frustrating. If I would have stayed, if I wouldn't have walked away, the market would still be like at that 600 level. So coulda, shoulda, woulda, fucking blah 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 blah. We'll see how this plays out. Right now, we got a pivot point there at the 570, 569 level on the NASDAQ right now, going into FOMC meeting. We'll see how she goes. A little, I would have liked, I don't know. I very rarely trade in the afternoon. It definitely feels weird. I'm like, ooh, kind of ready for my midday nap. I'm getting old, guys. Getting old. I need that midday nap. But hey, hopefully we get some good moves. Remember, normally you get the fake out and then the real move. The fake out, real move, fake out, real moves. So hopefully that, I don't want to say that hopefully, but we'll see how it plays out once the interest rate decision comes out today. You never know. You never know how it's gonna play out. That's why we love FOMC day. Volatility, baby. It's gonna be wild either way. So up, down, all around. You never know. You might as well just fucking roll the dice at that point, really, because nobody knows. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. So right now, just kind of looking here in terms of levels, this would be kind of interesting here. We kind of pull back into Monday's low there on the dip. Maybe a dip buy area. We'll see. I don't know. I don't want to jinx anything here, but we know there's support there, kind of at that 480 area. That's where we bounced at on Monday. We've been just basically trending lower here since last night. Trending lower, trending lower. We got the previous day high up here at the 740 level. So a couple of different ways to look at it here. If they kind of run this, maybe they run down here, drop it into this level. We get the fake out and then they push it back up. Maybe they push it up here to this 640 level again and then deny it. And then dip it down. Normally you're gonna get like a quick reaction one way or the other, and then you get the total opposite inverse. So you gotta love FOMC interest rate decision day. It's always wild either way. So we don't need to predict which way this goes. We just need to trade the action, my friends. We're just here to make money, not here to be fortune tellers. I don't think anyone here is a fortune teller. Anybody a fortune teller? Anybody? Anybody a fortune teller? I don't know. I don't think so. So, unless you're a gypsy fortune teller, I don't want to hear what your predictions are. Just kidding. Tell me your predictions. Tell me. We'll see how this, yeah, like I said, we can sit here all day long and come up with predictions and think about this. I do think it's interesting that the ES has been holding that 80 level here. Kind of that 480 pivot point there. There's a lot of action down here. So 480 pivot point. Will it be good here? I don't know. But yeah, we're kind of the old there's that old saying, kind of the first move's the fake out and then the second move is the real move, but even sometimes the third move's the real move. Or even the fourth move. It's, you never know. The problem is if you play with the idea of like, hey, I'm just going to do the opposite of whatever the first move is, it's easy to get blown up that way as well. So it's, yeah, we're going to wait for the kind of like the setup here. That's all we really need. We just need the market to like pick a direction, start to, form some support, build like a bull flag, bear flag, whatever it is. And then we look to take our trade. It just really comes down to just being patient here. That's what we're going to do. Patience is king. King patience. Patience king. I'm a patient king. What are the bets on that trade of 8 crashes? Probably very likely. Highly likely, actually. If I was a betting man, I would bet that trade of 8 crashes. If I was going to make one bet today, I would make a bet that would happen. So I can't promise you which way the market's going to go, but I can pretty much promise you that the trade of 8's going to do something crazy and fuck everybody. Yay. I was trying to sign up for NinjaTrader, but I'm having issues because I used to have a NinjaTrader account and I can't remember the email that I had. Oh God. I was hoping to have the NinjaTrader set up, but it's not going to happen in time. So I guess we got to just stick to trade of 8 for now. I cut that. No. The funny part is like Topstep, Trade of 8 is owned by NinjaTrader. So it's so stupid, like how does like everyone's like, go use NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader never has problems. I'm like, like but if NinjaTrader never has problems, why does Trade of 8 have problems? I don't know. I don't get it. Ryan said Ninja has plenty of problems as well. So, yeah, maybe NinjaTrader is not the one to go to either. I don't fucking know, man. Like I said, it's frustrating to say the least. You just want to like, not only do you just, you want a platform that just works. Like, just make it easy, make it work, not have issues. That's all, right? Like, that's simple. Like, I would just like to be able to trade, get in, get out. I don't need anything fancy. Like, I really don't. Like, I don't need it to look fancy. All I want to be able to do is buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell. Like, I don't want like anything fancy. Like, make it as simple as possible. I don't need graphics. I don't need I need nothing. Like, I could care less what it looks like. Just make it super simple. So, all right. Right now, the NASDAQ here at the 550s. We got the VWAP up there at the 98s. 98 for the VWAP. Wop, 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 V-wop. Go with whoever gives you more money to promote. Well, Tradeovate, no one, platforms don't pay me to promote them either way, so I don't really care. I just want it fucking to work. I just want it to work. That's all I'm asking for. Just simple, right? Platform works. Easy. Interactive brokers, like you can't use interactive brokers platform either. It's terrible for trading futures. I've traded on it before. Their margin requirements terrible. Honestly, I would say Iron Beam. When I used to trade with Iron Beam, their platform kind of just worked. It didn't have like bracket orders and all kinds of fancy stuff like, and like trade on the charts and all that, but like it was just very simple and it kind of worked. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's just cross our fingers and hope that we can make some money here. Cross it. Finger swim. Oh God. Are you kidding me? Blah. 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 Oh, sorry. If somebody could just make a really like good platform for trading futures, like it would just be so well received. Like just make it very simple. See, the problem with like Ninja Trader, the problem with all these other platforms, it's like it's kind of a pain in the ass. You gotta like, especially Quant Tower, you gotta like download Rhythmic Trader Pro and you gotta do all this stuff. But if someone could just make a very simple, easy to use platform, like just very simple, like Robinhood simple. Like literally just put a buy and sell fucking, like literally put a button for buy, a button for sell, and that's all I need. Like honestly, like I don't even need charts. Like that's just kind of funny. Like I really don't even need charts. Like I would be totally fine if I just had a platform that literally had a big buy button and a big sell button. Like that might be a good idea. If anyone's watching this and you're like a coder, just literally write a program, build a fucking simple to easy to use platform that literally just has a buy button and a sell button. That's all I want. I don't need anything else. You know? So it's simple. Simple. And then maybe, oh, you know, it'd be cool too is make like a hotkey, like a little, you know, a little keyboard thingy you plug into your computer and literally just has a buy and sell button. Big buttons, two big buttons, buy, sell, buy, sell. Like that might be that, you know, that's like $1 million idea right there. Like literally just make a little keypad with a big buy button and a big sell button. Easy. Easy, man. $1 million. What about the quantity? I mean, I don't even care about that. Buy 15 times. I mean, I'm sure you could set, you know, change the settings around a little bit or what something, but in general, I think you just, all you really need is something that just executes perfectly. There's no lag. There's no like, yeah, just literally just buy, I'm in, okay? Sell, I'm out. Buy, I'm in. Sell, I'm out. Sell, I'm out. Buy, I'm in. Sell, I'm short. Buy, I'm in. You know, just simple. What about asking bid? Why are you making this so difficult? God. You guys are asking too many questions. No more questions. Just simple. Buy, sell. I want to be like an operator, just simple. I know there's ways of doing it. Okay, I get it. I know there's already ways of doing that, but I'm just saying, you know, if somebody could like make it cool and make it super simple, it would be $1 million idea. Done. Easy. I'm not going to pay for it. You're going to give it to me because it was my idea in the first place, Martin. You make it. You give me the free demo. I'll promote it. How about that? And then you give me 20% ownership. It's my idea. I just talked it into, I just literally gave you the idea. Come on now. You need me. You need me. I'll promote it. Spiro, do I think I'm a better day trader with Bookmap? I mean, I wouldn't say Bookmap is like the only reason I'm a better day trader, but I think it's nice to have. People always ask me this. They're like, Patrick, is Bookmap so important to you? I mean, it's like $100, $200 a month, whatever it is. Like, is that like, are we really like counting pennies at this point? Like, I don't know if I really want to spend an extra $200 a month to be able to, you know, it just seems very expensive for me to pay $200 a month to have another tool that I can make more money with. Like, I don't know. Just don't know if I want to spend the money. I'm trying to make $20,000, $50,000 a month, but I don't know if I can afford the $200 platform. I don't think I'm going to do it. Seems like a bad investment. Oh. All right. We got 6 minutes here. 6 minutes until FOMC interest rate decision. Dun 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 dun. Oh baby, we're just stuck right here for now at the 55-50 area on the Nasdaq. I think, I don't know. Maybe we dip down there, take out that 480 level, and then we rip it right back up. Or maybe we push up here to the 640s and then we rip it right down. There's a million ways to think about it, really. All I know is that it's going to go up, it's going to go down. I just don't know which one's going to happen first. But I do think we're in a bull market, you know. It's a bull market. We'll see how she plays out. It's a bull market. Jerome Powell fucking print more money, make the market go up. Ugh. He forgot when $200 to $500 is a lot of money for some. If you're, yeah, I mean, if $200 is a lot of money for you, that's, yeah, I mean, hey, totally fine. Get a job. Work harder. I don't fucking know. Work harder. Do something harder. Do it harder, you know? Go work a better job. Work 2 jobs. Work 3 jobs. Whatever you got to do. Make some money. Sell some feet pics online. Whatever you got to do, baby. Make some fucking money. And make it so that $200 ain't a lot of money. I should have Chipotle give me. I should get sponsored by Chipotle. They fucking owe me. And right now, going into the let's see what's going on here. Got any crazy amount of orders sitting anywhere? Ooh. Got 75, 700, and 725, 100 orders, 100 contracts sitting at those levels. What does that mean? Does that mean we're going to go up here? Straight up at the when the news comes out here? Interesting. 120 orders at 675, 110 at 700, and 100 at 725. But look to the downside here. They're not putting, there's no orders to the downside. There's like, I mean, there's 100 contracts at 500. But there's definitely not, like, look at how much more liquidity is sitting above us right now. Huh. What does that mean? What does that mean? Does somebody know the future? Anybody from the future know what's going to happen here? If you could just go ahead and tell me in the chat, I would like to take that trade right now. Are we going up or going down? Let's do the poll really quickly here. We got 2 minutes. We can do a poll quick. Up or down? Up, down. On the first move, let's see. What do we think? Up or down on the first move? Gonna pop up and grab them. Up or down? Where are we going? We're up or down? Up or down? Up or down? All right, everybody's saying we're going up. We're definitely going down. We got 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. The chat is saying we're going up. So 66% said we're going up. I'm just going to jump in long right now. All in. Just kidding. Don't do it. This is obviously not financial advice, people. Don't go following some idiot on YouTube into a trade here. We got 45 seconds. Just making it clear. Obviously not financial advice. Do not try to copy me here, people. All right, all right. We got 30 seconds. Like I said, we got these levels to look at. We got that 500 kind of level down there, and then up there above 600 quickly. 567. Still a lot of liquidity up above 600 here. Let's go. La 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 la. 8 seconds. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh baby. Oh baby. It's happening. Let's go. We're dipping down there already to the 550s for now. Kind of watching and see what happens here. Oh. My God. Up there to the 690s. We're pushing. We're pushing. We got to get above that 600 level here quickly for the bulls to show that strength here. The fake out, the drop, the pop. 570 again, tapping there. Bookmap looking indecisive. She wants that push to the 600s, I think. She wants that 600 push. It wants a 600 push here. She's kidding me. Oh God. It's wild. It's ripping. It's pulling down to the 60s again. '60s, 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 '70s again. Will this be the rip? I want to see this thing rip through the 600s possibly. Need that liquidity to clear out there. Try to push. He's trying to push. He's trying to push. 600s. 90s again. We got to get through the 90s there. Get through the 90s. Got to get through 90s here. A lot of liquidity above the 600 still. Got that VWAP on the NASDAQ at the 96s. We're at the VWAP on the ES right now. Got to get above the VWAP on the ES to get this up there to 92, 95, 96s. There's that pivot point there. The 95s on the ES right there. Again, tapping the 90s on the NASDAQ. Stuck for now. Will that be the top of the move up here? Oh, God. We just hit that pivot point on the ETF, the QQQ right there. 377s. 377 pivot point there for now. We haven't really moved yet. We went up, we went down, but we really haven't made that big of a move yet here. The bulls are not showing up yet. They're not showing up just yet. And again, bouncing around at the 60s here, 76, 560s. Look at this. We really have not made a move out of this level yet. Pretty much right where we started at again. No movement. Can't make up their mind here. Can't make up their mind. Again, holding there at the 70s though. The ES got right up there to the VWAP, got denied. Kind of watch it to see what happens here at the 70s now. We're going to be able to push up here. 70 level needs to break again for the bulls. Needs a break for the bulls off the 70s here. Got liquidity is all over the place right now. Nothing really like out of the norm here on the book map, to be honest. Starting to look a little better to push through here. 80s again. Can we run through the 90s? 75. 75, 75, 80s. One more push up here to the 90s possible. I want to see this get through the 90s. Up there to the 80s now. Is there more room to run? What kind of a lackluster event here, to be honest. Anybody else feel like it's just been a little lacklustery? We're just basically we're still exactly where we basically started this news at 5 minutes ago. The press conference. Okay, I'm waiting. What time's the press conference? I know the press conference. And having trouble there at the 70s again, pull it back here. The ES basically just one big doji candle there on the 15-minute chart for now. What in the world is going on? NASDAQ, again, kind of getting denied there at the 80s. So looking a little bull flaggy. We can just break through here at the 80s, try to push up there towards the VWAP again on the NASDAQ here. Liquidity looking good till the 90s now. Trying to get this breakout here. They tried to get that push up there. The 90s was sitting there. Schwitting that VWAP again. VWAP tapping VWAP on the QQQ. We got that pivot point there, 376.98 on the Qs here. And still really just no movement. It's a non-event. Go home, everybody. Nobody cares about the interest rate decision anymore. I've seen freaking I don't know, like data on car sales get more movement than this. I've seen car sale numbers get more movement than this. Nobody's gonna love you like I do. Well, fuck. I was really excited to get a big move here. Maybe I have to wait and see. Oh. Back up there to the 90s. If you haven't figured it out, I am long, by the way. I know I didn't really want to broadcast. They'd be responsible for blowing up their accounts today. But I am long. I'm not gonna brag about it, but I am long right now. Looking to see if we can get this push up there to the VWAP at least. I'm long from the 70s. Pretty much if you listen to me talking, I said earlier, I'm looking at the 70s here, so. I think people that watch the stream every day pretty much know when I'm long or not. Why do you only show or say when you're in a winner? I don't really, like, I don't give a fuck. I'm not even bragging about it. I'm just telling you I am long. I literally do not give a fuck if you believe me or not, or don't believe me. God. Am I sitting here saying like, hey, I'm a genius, you guys all fucking suck? Like, no, I'm just saying, I'm letting you know that I'm not looking for a short. I am obviously long right now. God. Like I do. Nobody loves you like I do. I am long. I'm sorry, like I really am. But I literally said I was watching the 70 level. You guys heard, I mean, I'm sorry I didn't tell you exactly when I bought. I don't really care. It's okay. Like you don't have to believe me or not. I don't, it's totally fine. I'm not sitting here trying to brag about it. So, you know, just letting you know. All right. I said I was looking for the push above the 90s. I was looking for the push to the VWAP. All those things happened so far. So you can believe me, you cannot believe me. Now it's gonna pull back. This is why I don't even talk. Fuck, every time I talk about my trade. Literally. Are you kidding me right now? Just go. Go through the 600s. What the fuck? Every time I talk about the trade, it pulls back and then stops me out. This is why I gotta stop talking about my trades. I'm an idiot. It pushed up there to the VWAP on the spot, 600.01, so. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, can I just get a $10,000 profit live on YouTube right now? Just do it for me, baby. I just want one $10,000 profit. I just want to do it one time. I just want to be able to do it one time. One time. One time. One time. I'm looking for 15 push. No, I gotta take it for profit. I'm an idiot. Fuck me. Come on. It's pushing. It wants that push up there to the 15s or more. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, baby. Fuck me. I'm moving my stop right there below 85. Guarantee that we lock in at least $500,000, but I still think there's a little bit more room to run on this thing, but I might be wrong. Don't follow me. Please, this is not financial advice by any means. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot on YouTube, guys. Don't follow me. La 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 la. Six tens on the book map right now. I got a feeling we're going 610s or higher here, baby. Take me out of the 14s. Let's do it. Oh. God, have you ever seen somebody be so greedy? Have you ever seen somebody so greedy? I'm the greediest motherfucker on the planet. I'm so greedy. I'm so greedy that it hurts sometimes, the greed. I'm too fucking greedy. We're bouncing off the VWAP right now. I mean, this, you know, in theory, as a trader, if I believe the VWAP is support, this should try to bounce here. But, you know, I've been wrong before. God. Oh, fuck me, Patrick. Should have taken the profit at a double top there, but hey, we still locked in 5,000. Shit, fuck. It's all good. We'll jump it again. I'm fucking worried. Was looking for that push off the VWAP. We got denied right there at the 610s. The old ES there getting stuck below the VWAP, so. Hey, like I've said a million times, the only way to get to a $20,000, $30,000 trade is to hold through a $10,000 trade. All right? Just the way it is, my friends. It might not be the way that you trade or the way that you believe, but, you know. I'm not aiming for shit, Allie. Guys, don't, like, listen. I'll give you a little piece of advice. You don't need to try to give me advice, right? Like, you don't. I'm not gonna listen to you. I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, all right? And you guys keep doing what you're doing. It's totally fine, right? Like, you guys keep doing you, I keep doing me. Like, don't waste your breath. Like, you know what? Just fucking do yourself. I want you guys just to trade. You guys trade, you make money. If I don't make money, that's totally fine. All right? Like, just, you guys do you. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, I want you guys just to fucking trade and do your thing and let me do my thing. If you don't agree with me not taking profit, that's totally fine. You know, like, hey, that's the reason that the market exists. So that one person can make money and one person loses money. Welcome to trading, you know? I make money, someone loses money. Somebody loses money, I make money. It's just the way it is. Someone's got to lose so I can win. Thank you. Please, just relax, everybody. Everyone gets so excited over nothing. And by no means am I saying that what I do is the best way to trade and you should only trade the way that I trade and blah, blah, blah. Like, just fucking trade what you want to trade and trade how you want to trade. That's all you, I mean, that's literally like all you should be worried about is just you guys trade what you want. You want to hold, if you want to take $500 profit, take $500 profit. There's nothing wrong with that. Keep doing you, baby. You know, I woke up this morning, I was like, all right, today it's fucking FOMC day, baby. It's a day. This is like, if there's ever going to be a day to make fucking $20,000, $30,000 off one trade, it's today. I know it sounds crazy, but like that, it's literally, that's like, this is the day to do it. This is the day, man. Like, if you're gonna fucking if you're gonna swing for the fences, you might as well swing for the fucking fences on the day when we know we get volatility, right? Like, come on. Swing for the fucking fences, baby. We're here to make money. Nothing, you know, like we still made $5,000 on that trade. We still made $5,000 fucking dollars. Literally don't give a fuck what anyone has to say. We got J Powell speaking here. J Powell. Fucking Ninja Trader. I'm trying to sign up for Ninja Trader, but it won't let me fucking sign up because I had another account. God, fuck. Fucking Ninja Trader, man. We get back over this 90 level, maybe we start pushing up, but we do have the meeting, the press conference at 2:30 to keep in mind. If you guys haven't hit that like button, don't be afraid to do it. The word on the street is Topstep is possibly looking to get a new platform to kind of be their premier platform. I think yeah. I mean, I think that 615 target was there. You know, like we pushed above these two highs here up into this 620 level. That was, I have no shame, right? Like I literally, like I'm like, hey, I took a trade. I had my target. I had my stop, and that's what we did. Like that's, you know, like that. I did exactly what we do. We took a trade. And that's all it comes down to. You might not agree with me not taking profit, but hey, we took it, and that's all, you know, that's all we can do. That's trading. You're going to take trades, you're going to take profit, sometimes it's going to go higher, sometimes it's going to pull back. It's fucking welcome to day trading. If it was as easy as it would always just go magically to your target every fucking time, well, you'd be a millionaire, wouldn't you? There's going to be days where I'm going to hold for a big winner and it's going to happen. And then there's going to be days where it's not going to happen. That's trading, my friends. If it was just fucking if it was just, you know, magically buy, sell, make money, it would just be fucking too easy, wouldn't it? That's the whole thing about it. Anybody who's going to sit here and talk shit, it's like, is what it is. You want to make big trades, you got to hold through big profits. That's all it comes down to. Like, you can't make $20,000 on a trade if you sell at $100 profit. You can't make, because like it's even like from the beginning, when I first started trading, I would make $100 in a day and I'd be excited, right? Like I would trade the micros, I'd make $100 and I thought like, wow, you know, like I made $100 trading in a day and I thought I was fucking killing it. And then now it's like, fuck, like I'm trying to make $10,000 in a day. And so I have to like put on more risk. I have to take more chances. I got to hold longer. I got to believe like it's a totally different ball game. You know, for me to simply make $100 a day, if I trade with small size and trade the micros, like I can do that. No problem. But if I want to make $10,000, if I want to make $20,000 a day trading, I've got to put on big risk. I've got to hold through $1,000 profits. Like, you got to think about it. It's all like in perspective. It's all relative. Like when I was making $100 a day, I would take $50. Like I would be up $50 and I'd be like, hey, I'm up $50. Like I would take profit. Amazing, right? And then now it's like, hey, if I want to make $5,000, well, I got to hold through fucking 50. You know, I got to hold through 500. I got to hold through 2,000. It is what it is. If you want to grow, you got to grow, baby. We're here to grow. We're here to get better. We're not here to stay the same. I'm not trying to make $500 the rest of my fucking life. All right, all right. Makes sense? Makes sense. And the Nasdaq dipping down here. Got stuck there below the 90s again. We got the FOMC press conference here at 2:30. Why not trade 50 contracts? Because I can't trade 50 contracts. I can only trade 15. Maybe one day. Maybe one day I'll trade 50. I don't fucking know. Why don't you trade 500 contracts? Little liquidity grab looking like there, that little pullback for now. We got 6 minutes till 2:30. How and when did I decide to increase my size? Yeah, I don't know. 7 years later, I guess. Zaruma, King of Beast. I could trade 15, so that'll be 45 contracts. You guys are always like, what do you like? Fucking y'all sit there doing the math. Like, wait, Patrick, sir, you said 15, but 15 plus 15 plus 15 is actually 45. Yes, three accounts, 15 contracts, 45. Yes, you're right. Oh God, did I decide Ninja over traded me? I tried. I can't even fucking sign up right now. My fucking, it's all fucked. It's all fucked. Everything's just fucked up right now, man. Let me down easy. Market dipping down there to the 70s. I mean, we're still kind of just sitting here pretty much right where this move started. So the press conference, hopefully we get a better move here. I mean, I would love to see, you know, a push above the VWAP here to show strength. We got that pivot point at the 69s. Yeah, I know. I mean, that's, you know, it's very uneventful right now. I mean, normally we get a better move than this out of the, you know, now it's moving down, but we'll see how this plays out. I'm definitely not going to short down here at the bottom right now. Off the 58s. That low 476 down there. Starting to accelerate down here to the bottom now. There's the 100. There's the fucking, I should have been on that side of the trade. Easy in hindsight. Easy in hindsight to sit here and be like, oh, I should have fucking shorted at the 90s. Why did I not short at the 90s, Patrick? You'd have been so much smarter to short at 90. Fuck. If I had $1, you know, for every fucking time I had that idea in my life. It's not that simple, is it, my friends? A little rip right back up there now. Pushing up there that not the VWAP, but the pivot point there. 66 level. We got about 2 minutes here till the press conference starts. 2 minutes till the press conference. Liquidity up at the 80s right now. Liquidity up at the 80s on the book map here going into the press conference. Woof. Getting excited. The algorithms are getting excited here. Be careful, my friends. Good time to blow up your account. Just be patient. Wait for the right opportunity. Wait for the right opportunity, my friends. Just wait. Patience. On the NASDAQ right now, going into this press conference, we'll see how this plays out. But just be patient. I would say there's not really any need to do anything crazy until kind of after the press conference. They're going to talk. They're going to move the market up and down like wild. You'll see the market just bouncing, going crazy up in here. So no rush. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the... Big buyer just came in there at 62s. They're chopping it around here. They should be starting to talk here in a little bit. The ES below the VWAP, the NASDAQ below the VWAP, everything below a VWAP right now. QQQ kind of sitting down there, pretty much right where we started this move out earlier. So very indecisive which way this goes right now. The press conference will decide the direction here. We will find out sooner than later. Will they push this back up? Oh, buddy. Up there to the 75, 70, 80 level, sitting on the book map up there on the NASDAQ for now. '77's on the book map. There's that 80 liquidity pop. We saw that earlier there. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, buddy. What do we do here? What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? What are we thinking? Place your bets. What do you got? What you want? What you need? How high we going? Anybody? Anybody? Time to get short, time to get long. What do you think? YOLO. The ES back up there to the VWAP for now. NASDAQ pull it back here. Went to the 95s. Pulled right back down there to the 80s. Would like to see this get above the VWAP. Just let's get above the VWAP. I think it's a simple trade above VWAP here. Danny just passed this Topstep combine. Let's go. Don't forget, this is the last week to get a 70% discount on Topstep. 70% discount on Topstep. Don't be afraid to check it out right now. There's a link there in the chat as well. All right, down there to the 5.7s again. I'm basically just waiting for something to happen here at the VWAP. Would be my idea. For a short, I don't even know if I'd want to get short here. I would say it's a coin toss. Very much a coin toss right now. Maybe this breaks down right here and we start to sell through here, 540 level. I don't know. I don't love it. But I have said that before and the market moved 100 points. So, don't know. Kind of just holding up in here. See on the 15-minute chart, not looking overly bearish, if that makes sense. Right, like it's not looking overly bearish here. I don't know. I'm not sure what to do here yet. Got liquidity at the 85s again. Could probably take a stab at a long off that 85 break to get through the 600s maybe. I don't love that either, but it looks like it wants to go through here, through the 85s and then up there to the 600s. Fuck. Wow. Oh, Patrick, yeah, should have taken that trade. You little fucker. That was I was looking for this pop over this 85 level right here and then right there 600s. So, talk myself out of that one. But look at that thing, just ramps right up there to the 600s nicely. Hit. I called a trade that I didn't even take. God, I'm so bad. She's showing strength now. Back up there to the 605s. Let's see what happens here at the VWAP now. We're getting above the VWAP here. Can we push through it? There's that 620 liquidity all the way up there for now. If we get through here at the 610s, I think we got to get that 620 push. So kind of just wait for that 610 area. See how she plays out. Lots of volatility right here. Oh my baby Jesus. What is happening? It's going up. Gotta love it. FOMC, baby. It's wild. It's wild. There she goes. Up to the 615s, through the 610s now. Does it go 620s? It wants that 620 area. I wouldn't bet my house on it, but I maybe would bet a little bit of money on the idea of this going up there. I could be wrong. Maybe. I don't know. It kind of looks like it was 615 push. It kind of looks like it. It kind of like there's that push, 615s. I think it's still got a little bit more of the 620s here. Okay, I like the 620 break here. Am I stopping the break even already? Oh, I got a little bit more. Only still got 10 left. So I'll look for a little bit more here. Hey. I think we can go above the 30s here. You're looking for 33 break. Up there to the 30s now. Oh my God, don't do this to me. Just take the profit. Putting my stop right there to the 15s. That was my original target there. So let's see if we can get up there through the 30s next. It's that easy, people. I do it live on YouTube every day. Here you go. Holla, 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 holla. I don't know what to do with my hands. I don't know what to do with my hands. I don't know what to do with my hands. What do I do with my hands? How can one man be so good looking and also so good at this game? I don't fucking know. Look at it. It's going. Oh my. Now, see this? Yeah, Patrick, you should have held on a little longer, you little fucking pussy. But there was that breakout. Look at that. How beautifully that played out, my friends. Come on. How beautiful was that? Like we said, that push over the VWAP there. And ding, 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 ding. Oh my, yep, still going. Still 30 more points. Still 30 more points. 30 more points higher. Oh, I'm fucked. Oh God. I'm a genius. I'm a goddamn genius. $7,000 there on that last trade. Let's go, baby. We're calling it all out. We had this all planned out before the move even happened. The break over the VWAP, the push up there to the 660s. Let's go. My mind. God, that was a good trade. Why did I not let that ride? Wow. This should have been the $30,000 trade, 100%. You're right. It's fucking hard to go from, you know, getting denied on that trade earlier and then like doing it again back to back. It's difficult to mentally go from like not taking profit on that trade and then being like, well, I'm gonna hold this next one. It is what it is. But hey, I mean, we absolutely crushed it on that trade. The push over the VWAP, everything played out perfectly, exactly what we were looking for. There's that move up there. She's still going. We might be going 700s here today. Who knows? But come on. I don't want to say it's easy, but I do want to say that, hey, when you trade with Patrick Wieland, you win, 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 win. You know? You win. Win, 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 win. Fuck everything else. Win. Win, 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 win. Win, 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 win. So. Whoopsies. Up there to the 680s now. Let's go. God damn, that boy's good. That boy's good. He's real fucking good. I never seen somebody so good. How'd he get so good? I don't even know. Too good. Now I'm a little sad, to be honest. I'm a little sad. Welcome to trading, my friends. This is trading. You're seeing it real. This is happening. We're live on YouTube. I mean, it's a fucking battle, man. Like, it's fucked, to be honest, sometimes. It's easy in hindsight. Should have fucking, I should have held on, blah, 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 you know, fucking whatever. That should have been the fucking at least $20,000 trade right there. God damn it. Can't believe it. I can't believe it happened to me. Shit. Good times, good times. Good times, good times. Either way, good times. All I care about is, hey, the fucking plan played out beautifully. I literally don't give one fuck what anyone on YouTube thinks in the comments or whatever. They'll say Patrick never tells us to buy, blah, blah, blah. But I mean, what else did I need to come to your house and fucking buy it for you? Press the button for you? Is that what you need? Like, oh, hey, I'll come over there. Let me come to your house and tell you exactly when to buy. Exactly. Shotgun, why don't you show when you enter a trade? Fuck you, Shotgun. Get out of here. I don't like. People think like I really give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I literally give zero fucks. Patrick, you never tell us. You never show us to trade. Well, guess what? I don't give a fuck. I'm just like, I don't know what to do anymore, to be honest. Like, it's just like, how many times do I have to win until they finally are like, just shut up. Cody, it's because he doesn't place them. You're right, bro. You're fucking 100% right. How did Cody get so smart? Cody also got banned. Cody, how did you get so smart? Is he just born like that, or are you just born like that? Is he a genius, or is he a genius? So I just got done with Photoshop. I just put my order here on the photo on the chart. This is actually just Photoshop this. I put my buy order to break over the VWAP. So here's here's 15,606, right? See, I had a little dip. So what I did was on the NASDAQ, right here, my plan was I wanted to see the VWAP turn into support right here, right? So I wanted the VWAP to act as support, all right? And then as the VWAP act as support, I want to jump in long because we're looking for a break over the VWAP for a push through the 600s up there to the 640s or 50s, all right? So what my plan was is as soon as we broke over the VWAP here, I was looking for a little retest for about 5 seconds. Give me a little retest, and then I want to get that move up here. So like it pulls back, this little white line on the chart, right? It pulls back into the VWAP there, and then I'm like, wait, okay, now I will buy. I will buy there. I will buy here at the 606.25. Okay, perfect. I am filled. I will then take a little profit there at the 22s. I will then take some more profit there at the 33s. uh, uh, oh God, it's so hard to understand how this all works. So what you're telling me, Patrick, is you bought when it broke above the VWAP? Why would that just makes no sense. That just makes no sense at all. Patrick, you're confusing me. Patrick, I just don't understand. It just seems too confusing. You're telling me that you bought it at when it went above the VWAP? So your plan was, you talked about it literally like for 30 minutes about the plan of like waiting for the break over the VWAP, and then it broke over the VWAP and you bought it? I'm confused. Why'd you buy? You didn't tell me you bought, but. Last time I checked, this fucking live stream's free, by the way. If I was charging you guys like, I don't know, $1,000 a month to watch me trade, and I wasn't showing you the entries every single time, yeah, that might be a little fucked up. But the last time I checked, this whole thing is fucking free for everybody to watch. So I don't know. Maybe I'm an idiot. Maybe we're not. Maybe who? I don't fucking know, really. Maybe we're all idiots. Maybe you guys are all idiots for watching me on the internet. Maybe. I'm not sure. 100%. Who's more of an idiot? Patrick or the guys watching me on the internet? It's confusing, really. All right, so now we're pulling back here. What are we gonna do? I don't know. We kind of just sit back and wait and watch here, huh? It's kind of waiting and watching. Waiting and watching here. Oh, baby. All right, just so everybody knows, there's this yellow line, right? I just drew a yellow line here on the chart. You know, what we're seeing here is this yellow line. This is called a trend line. So, you know, there's a possibility that maybe if it breaks this trend line, it would then push up higher. But just letting everybody that's watching right now understand that that's what that means. It's called a trend line. And basically, like, see how this is pulling back right now? This is like a trend, right? So basically, like, the market's pulling back, and like this is like a trend here. So like basically, we're waiting to see like maybe if we break that trend line and then we push up here higher. So it's kind of just like, you know, you just want to like wait, like you draw a line and then you kind of just wait. So just letting everybody know in the chat. I don't want anyone to be surprised. I don't want anyone to be surprised if we start to break out here and push up, okay? I just want everyone to know that there's a possibility that if we break back out of here, this could start to push back up. Just letting you understand that and know that. So just putting that out there into the universe. I don't want anybody confused, you know, in like 20 minutes from now and being like, but Patrick, I didn't know that you were actually looking to do something here. So I'm just waiting to see kind of if we got to break this trend line here, all right? So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be waiting to see if possibly momentum comes in here again and we push up. Right now, we're getting stuck there again. The buyers have not committed to making this move up yet. We still got liquidity at the 50s, so this is possible to get a breakout. We will see. We're being patient, all right? Let's see what happens here. Being patient. Being patient. Okay, I'm gonna jump in here. Got my tight stop at the 37s. Will it push to the 50s? Okay, it's pushing up now, everybody. You might want to take profit if you're up already, but hey, nothing wrong with not taking profit if you're looking for a bigger move. I'll be looking for push up here to the 60s, and there I take my profit. Oh my God, how did he do it? Oh my God. Patrick, please stop doing this. Patrick, please. Patrick, please stop this. I need you to tell me exactly when to buy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that was beautiful. I mean, hey, is anybody, are you guys still skeptical? Is anybody skeptical still? Are you skeptical at this point? Is anybody skeptical yet? Anybody? Anybody in the chat skeptical at this point? Are you kind of like, I think he's lying to us. He's not actually trading this. Anybody? I'm just I'm wondering. I'm just a little interested to see if anyone knows, you know, if you're still skeptical, I might be able to help you out here. Oh God. I mean, this could, you know, get going here again. We'll see. I'm pretty happy just taking a quick 15 points there on 15 contracts. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Don't want to be too greedy. The gap fill, I think we already filled the gap on the QQQ there. Yeah, we already filled the gap. We already filled the gap there. There's going up to the 60s now. So here's all your, like, let's say you're getting into this trade, you know, let's say you're long for that breakout. Well, guess what? Draw another trend line right there, my friends. If we break below this trend line, take profit. If we keep holding that trend line, I think we could go up here to the 700s next. So obviously, this is not financial. Just getting that out of the way, everybody. Obviously, I'm an idiot on the internet, by the way. So if you listen to me, you know, that's your fault. I have never claimed to be a professional expert on this shit. I just fucking buy and sell, man. Buy high, sell low, okay? Buy high, sell low. The best way to get rich in the market. So at this point, I would say, hey, if you bought the breakout, you probably want to take profit there. So pretty much right where I took profit anyway. See where this, you kind of wait for this candle to close here as well if you want, but I definitely would not want this back below 40s. I would not want to get back below 40 here, because then what happens is what? We got a lower high. So we basically, you don't want this below 40s if you're long. So hopefully that very rudimentary trading philosophy there. Very rudimentary. There's that pullback through the 40s now. So even though it went to a high of 67, I probably would have got stopped out either way. So I'm happy I took profit there at the 55s. Easy. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. We got 372 likes. We are lacking on the likes hardcore right now. Wow, you guys are killing me here. You guys are killing me here. In the end. Yeah, yo, ooh, 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 you, there's that 40 area just giving it up right now on the NASDAQ. Around, goes around, goes around, goes around, goes around, goes around. And if you're wondering why I took profit there at the 55s, well, look at this. Basically, you know, we got this wicks, we got this big wick here. It's kind of like right across in this level. So if we do get stuck, that would be where we get stuck. That's kind of looking like a penis now, but I probably shouldn't be drawing penises on TradingView, but you can basically see, you know, if we were going to get stuck on the push back up, where would we get stuck at? Pretty much right in that level. So please don't cancel me. Please don't email anyone and tell them that Patrick's drawing penises on YouTube. That was by accident. So I don't know. It gets tiring, man. It gets tiring. Like every day, these live streams. Like I do this every day on fucking live on the YouTube, and there's still people are like, nah, he trades in hindsight. He's a hindsight trader. How did he told us that it was gonna break over the VWAP after it broke over the VWAP. I need a vacation. You're right, Danny. It's time for vacation. The problem is, like, I don't want to fucking, I'm on a roll right now, and I just don't want to lose that momentum. Like, it's kind of funny. Like, I really just, I don't want to lose momentum right now. I think it's, yeah, I just don't, yeah. It's not even that I'm afraid that I'm not going to be able to get momentum back, but I kind of just, like, I'm on a roll right now, and I don't want to lose it. I'm on a fucking, you know, I'm on a heater, and I don't want to, like, go on vacation and come back and fucking be cold. When you're hot, when the table's hot, you don't fucking walk away. You know? That's the way I look at it. I think Sage would know that. Sage, do you agree? When the table's fucking hot, you don't walk away. Maybe Sage will give me some wisdom here. He knows about poker and stuff. Where's Sage at when I need him to answer the questions in the fucking chat? What the fuck's he doing? Sage, tell me, should I walk away while I'm hot or stay? My favorite is now on Instagram, there's a whole like debate about me buying followers and then me buying a blue check mark on Instagram. My old Instagram got deleted, all right? I used to have over 20,000 followers on Instagram. Now it got deleted. I didn't buy fucking followers. God, I got 6,000 followers. If I was gonna buy followers, I would have bought like 500,000. Why would I buy 6,000? What the fuck? God. These fucking idiots. I could be like fucking Lambo Raoul and just claim to make $600,000 a week and live fucking Doral in the butt sweat area of Miami, which nobody would do. You'd have to be an absolute insane person to want to live in fucking Doral. Nothing wrong with Doral, by the way, but hey, if you make millions of dollars, why the fuck would you live in Doral? Somebody's like, well, obviously you've never been to Doral. I'm like, yeah, well, obviously you've never been to fucking Doral. Because anybody who's going to argue that Doral is like this fucking nice place to live at, you got no fucking idea what you're talking about. Patrick, Doral's up and coming right now, okay? It's really nice. There's a lot of warehouses. It's hot as balls, okay? It's a great place to raise a family. No, nobody has ever said that. Nobody. Doral. Yeah. Oh, God. Is the press conference over yet? Are we going back up? What's the deal? What's happening now? Why am I so concerned what other people think of me? I have a YouTube channel. I'm very fucking low. I'm very insecure, okay? It just gives me something to talk about, guys. Hey, I want everyone to understand. This is a YouTube channel, right? Like, we need something to talk about. What am I going to talk about? What do you guys want to talk about? You want to talk about golf? You want to talk about Pokemon cards? What you want? What you want to talk about? I just talk about this shit because it's fucking relevant to what we're doing here. I talk about other traders because it's relevant, right? We talk about other traders because it's, what else are we going to talk about? What do you want to, we're waiting for the market to move. What do you want to talk about? You want to talk about the fucking new Barbie movie? Is that what you, okay. So I heard about the new Barbie movie. You know, it looked like it was, you know, like a lot of pink. Yeah, new Barbie movie. I don't know nothing about fucking Barbie movies. I know a lot about fucking other traders though, and calling out bullshit, like the idea that somebody bought a fucking Urus with $100,000, and we know you fucking Urus is $300,000. What else? What else you want to talk about? Well, I got all. I can talk about anything. Right now it's 3:03, by the way. In 1 minute, it's gonna be 3:04. Everybody, just letting you guys know. Tory trades. Corn, baby. Just go trade some more corn. But by the way, I got nothing personal against these people, right? Like, it's not a personal thing. People think that I like hate these other day traders and stuff. It's not a personal thing. It's just like, you know, we like when you sign up for YouTube, you basically sign up to like, you know, be a public figure. Like, there's no like, you don't get to like be a YouTuber and then people be like, well, hey, I want fame and fortune, but I don't want anyone else to talk about me. Okay, it's not allowed. Not allowed. Don't be a fucking YouTuber if you're gonna cry about when someone talks about you, okay? Why are you talking about me? Oh, God. Oh, God. This market's wide. Is the press conference over? I think it's over, right? Are they done talking? Can anybody confirm? Is the press conference over? I think it's over. It's not over? 3 o'clock? What are they doing over there? Still talking. Well, anything can happen. Daddy Pal, get out of there. Stop talking, pal. Just go. Go away. Fed won't cut rates. Yeah, we already fucking knew that. I could have told you that. I told you guys that like fucking 2 years ago. God, who would have thought that some dumb redneck from Bithlo, Florida would know about economic policy? You know, little did my teachers know in high school. They thought that I was just some dumb old redneck. And look at me now. I got 1,400 people on YouTube listening to me ramble on about stupid nothingness. I really showed them. I got more influence than my teachers ever thought I could get. Oh my God. This market's wild right now. It's wild. Oh, are they done talking yet? What's going on over there? Are they ever going to stop talking? They got to stop talking, right? At some point. Please stop talking. Please stop it. Looks like we want to go to the 50s possibly here. I'm going to ride this down to the 50s, baby. I'm going to stop right there. We're going to get a nice little trade to the 50s, or we're going to get stopped out. We'll put it right. Oh, my. Oh, yep. Okay. Okay, I'm going to move to 55s now. Stop. That worked out beautifully. Oh, I'm going to move my... oh, we're still going. Oh, my God. My computer is lagging. Oh, trade of 8's fucked. It's so fucked right now. I can't even move it. Stop at the 46s. Oh. Oh. That was the craziest trade of my life. That lasted for less than what, 5 seconds? 10 seconds? Oh. Oh my God. We broke through the VWAP right there, 600, 15,600 level down there to the 15,540s. So that was kind of like, hey, looking real weak here. And you can see basically, if I draw my little trend line on there, same idea that we always kind of trade here, actually. Oh my, what is this thing doing? Draw your trend line just like that. The breakdown. We had that liquidity down there at the 550s. I got filled right there at the 47s. We went all the way to the 30 fucking 5s. Still over $10,000 in profit there. This is the 250 tick chart. 250 tick chart there. Let's go. Oh my baby Jesus. I think we're getting close to about $30,000 on the day. It's still going down. Do I want to fucking push it here? Maybe put on a little bit more risk one more time to get through the 520s next. What are you thinking? Where are we at? Let's hit it one more time here. I got my stop basically right there at the 44s. We're risking 1,000 to see if we can sell through this 30 level there. Oh my God, we're almost stopped. Need to dump it right through there now. I'm gonna just get out right there. We're not really... we might dump it. It might go now. It kind of wants to go up. Perfect. We got out for basically like a little break-even trade there. Oh my God. Good thing I got out when I did. So we saw the little pushback up there. Took the quick in and out. She's ripping back up now. Ripping back up there. Oh my God. Why not buy here? I mean, why? Why not? Yeah, I mean, why not get short here? So I mean, I would say there's not really any reason to get long down here just yet. There's nothing that like really, you know, you got this, what is that? The previous day low right here, but still it's like, let the market tell you when to get in and get out. This breakdown here, look how beautiful this was. We were getting really tight there, 622s. We sold through there. We got right through the VWAP. And then through here, basically getting short once we kind of got through this previous area there. So that's what I was looking for. This run through this 50 level down there to the 40s. And that's exactly what we got. So that's how you trade, my friends. The VWAP. Just waiting to see what happens here. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting up at the 75s right now. Maybe they want to run this back up one more time. They're kind of bouncing off that previous day low, but I don't really think there's any reason to do anything just yet here. Just kind of see how this wants to play out there at the 60s now. Be like kind of a little cup back up here if they can hold, but right now nothing really to do until we get back above, I'd say 65, 66s. So still selling. So like I said earlier, look at how this is kind of playing out earlier. Remember we had this idea of this, oh my God, I got rid of the indicators. We had this like push back up there. I took profit, that lower high, and then another lower high right there. And then look at how this is kind of, again, kind of setting up there. So we're looking at these lower highs there. These are things, these are reasons that we're not getting, you know, long up here. You can see the difference. Lower high, lower high, lower high, until we kind of break out of there. Not really any reason to get long up there. So that was obviously a short when we broke kind of the downside there. Obviously in hindsight, it's easier to say now, but just showing you guys so you can see. I'm official. They're still talking right now? Wow. What happened in Trade of 8? Nobody fucking knows what happened in Trade of 8, basically. So that's what happened at Trade of 8. Literally, nobody fucking knows. Doesn't work. One of our live stream viewers just made this kind of funny. Buy, sell, buy, sell. That's all you need. No more. That's all we need. It's like sell now, buy now, sell, buy, sell, buy. Up, sell, 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 sell. Okay, it's going down. It's going down. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, oh no, it's going up. Buy, 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 buy. Wait, no, let's go down again. All right, let's wait. Let's wait. 15. Look at that 15 area. I think it wants to get through the 50. Oh God. Possibly sell here. Let's see. Oh no, it's pushing up again. Wait, 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 wait. Watching, watching, watching. Oh, that's funny. Thanks for that. Lots of volatility, lots of action. Market up, it's down, it's all around. We got about another 40 minutes here till the market closes. And look at that rip back up off the 520s now. Why did we bounce? What was the bounce there? We got something going on there? It's fucking in my indicator. What do we have there? That was a low from earlier. Okay, yeah, yeah. So we bounced off the low of day from earlier there at the 520s. Ooh. The FOMC is finished. Now we're going to just rocket back to the moon. Straight back up here. Ugh. We're pretty much still inside of that 15-minute opening range. Look at it. It's going straight up. I don't want to say this always happens. They get done with the FOMC and it's just like, whee, straight back up. Oh, wee. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's see what happens here again, kind of at that VWAP level again here. I never know. How do I go back to fucking get my indicators back on? How do you reset? Shit, I pressed the remove indicators and it deleted my indicators on accident. All right, VWAP, volume weighted average price, right there. There we go, beautiful. Get rid of the multipliers. Wait for time frame closes. Make this a white line. Make it a little thicker. All right, now my VWAP's on there. And then for my indicator, I'm going to be using the Lux Algo price action concepts. I think, right? Lux Algo price action concepts. You can get 30% off with the Lux Algo price action concepts with a code Patrick30. Set this up right now. Show breakers, trend lines, patterns, liquidity grabs, fair value gaps. I want the daily lows, highs, and all that. Sorry. highs, lows, weekly. So this is my settings right now. Pretty much simple. Market structure, trend lines. So this is basically showing me trend lines, showing the patterns, showing the equal highs and lows, and the liquidity grabs. I really do like the liquidity grabs, actually. So those are all pretty much set up on there now. We are everything. All right, now we're back. I'll get rid of that thing. We don't need that thing on the right. I get rid of the little box up top, the dashboard. Don't need it. All right, interesting kind of situation that we're in right here. See if we kind of hold here, try to push up there to the 70s next. Up there to the 66s now. Kind of looking bullish here. We can hold that 60 level, try to start to push back up towards the VWAP level at the 600s next. Up there to almost 70 now, 67, 68s. On the book map right now, I got liquidity up there at the 72s, kind of pushing it. 75s there. Kind of wanting that 70 break here. Need to get through 70s and then I'd say push up there to the 80s. But having trouble here. Kind of a battle here at the 60s. The NASDAQ can hold 60s, squeeze to the 80s next. It just needs to hold that 60 level here for the bulls. Or we could possibly start rolling off here as well. There's two ways to play this. Two ways. Hi. I'm just chop around here at the 60s for now. The ES is liking that 80 level. The ES VWAP at the 90s here. So I think she wants it. Get through that 70s and then maybe possibly retest that VWAP level again here end of day. Test that VWAP end of day. Well, that last candle, the low was 56, so pretty much 60 level, holding there, up there to the 80s now. Thank you very much. I'll be here tomorrow morning as well, live on YouTube every morning, 9:15 a.m. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, all the buttons down below. We're live. God, how is one man so good? So good. So good. I'm gonna be really sad when the market finally just bans me from trading. They're gonna call me up and go, Patrick Wieland? Is this Patrick Wieland? Yes, Patrick Wieland? Yeah. So you're banned. You can't trade anymore. Sorry. You're just too good. We're turning it off. Not allowed. No more YouTube. No more nothing. Stop teaching people. Stop telling them when to buy. Stop it. You gotta stop it. People are making too much money watching you. You gotta, you're banned for life. What if they arrested me took me to jail for telling people when to buy above the VWAP? Life in prison. Telling people when to buy on YouTube. Back to the fucking prison. For you, roofer. Back to the prison. Can we get through the 80s here? Look at the 80 break, 80 break, 80 break, 80 break, 80 break, 80 break, 80 break. I mean, you guys, you're not surprised that I'm long, right? Everybody's not surprised. I think we made it clear. I'm looking for this push up there into the 80s. I think 83s. and I'm done walking away. So almost there. Almost there. Go to the 83s. Take me out. Oh my, no way. Went to 83 high. You motherfuckers. I'm telling you, they watch my stream. They're live watching stream. Stream live. They're live on the stream. The market makers are always watching me, man. These fuckers are always watching me. No way. No way. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way right now. This ain't happening. Get the fuck out of here with this shit. What is... You went to 83 on the dot? I had 83.25. Are you fucking kidding me? You gotta be fucking kidding me. How is that even possible? How could I literally put my target fucking 25 cents too high? How? How is that even possible? Fuck me. Literally. How is that even possible? My life's a joke. 25 cents. They should just give it to me for free. Give it to me. Fuck you and your 25-cent bullshit. I'm gonna get that fill, all right? I'm gonna get that fucking fill. This thing wants 85s. I ain't backing down. I'm like a bull, baby. A bull in a fucking China shop. Oh, God, it's coming back down. I'm sorry, baby. Go, baby, go. Oh, God. Oh, God. Fuck me. It's hot here. Making money is hot. Hard work making money. Pressing buttons on the internet. Oh, you motherfuckers. Are you fucking fucks? Literally, how is that even possible? Are you fucking kidding? Look at that high. The high on that candle was 83. Are you like, no, you're fucking kidding me. Dude, I'm telling you. These fucking market makers are watching my stream. They watch. They know exactly what I'm doing at all times. Dude. I quit. I give up. This market's too hard. I don't want to play anymore. Well, it was fun. Some real bullshit right there. I'm 25 cents. Fucking 25 cents. Fucking 25 cents. Are you fucking kidding me? You gotta be fucking kidding me. That's comedy, right? That's just fucking comedy. Oh, God. I just want to make some money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. My body. Wow. Is it going to go back up to the 80s now? Wow. 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 You guys love it. I fucking love trading. Trading is so much fun. I don't know how to... It's just like you... Like, I'm just so lucky to be able to trade and get so much enjoyment out of life. It is just so much fucking fun. It's fucking hilarious sometimes. Like, my life is a comedy show. It's literally a fucking comedy show sometimes. I swear to God. I just laugh about it sometimes. I literally just laugh. I'm like, this shit's funny. All you can do is laugh. You just gotta laugh at it. You're like, oh, that's fucking funny. Patrick's kind of funny. My life's to hit. That guy's kind of funny, man. Fucking, that dude's funny. All right, I'm just gonna walk away. I'm over it. This thing might rip back up. It might dip down. It might go sideways some more. Who knows? It looks like it wants to break through the VWAP. So, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna take my profit.